सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। Now we are in Abhyasa 8. Hari, Kavi, Yati, Bhupati, Senapati, all these are Ikaranta Pullinga Shabdas. Let us see how to decline Ikaranta Pullinga Shabdas. Are you able to see?
Yes, Potaji.
Is it letters are clear, or shall I remove this boxes?
Letters are clear.
Harihi, Hari, Harayaha, Harim, Hari, Harin, Harina, Haribhyam, Haribihi, Haraye, Haribhyam, Haribhyaha, Harehe, Haribhyam, Haribhyaha, Harehe, Haryoho, Harinam, Harau, Haryoho, Harishu, He Hare, He Hari, He Harayaha. In any Shabda, we have to remember these three are same. Hari, like here, Haribhyam, Haribhyam, Haribhyam are there. If it is Rama Shabda,
Ramabhyam, Ramabhyam.
huh. So whatever is the Shabda, Bhyam will be added. We have to remember that it will be easy. Then this Tritiya, sometimes it will be different, but Chaturthi and Panchami will be same all the times. Haribhyaha, Haribhyaha. Like Ramebhyaha, Ramebhyaha. Their Tritiya Ramaihi. So these two also same. Then these two. Hariyoho, Hariyoho. Shashti and Saptami. Today it came in our class. Shashti and Saptami. So here Hari, Hari. Here also it will be same. Panchami and Shashti. These two are also same. So whatever is the same, it will be less for us to memorize. We have to remember whichever, it will be easy actually. Here after this same will come. Here 3 are same. Here 2 are same. After one after the other. So it will be easy. Hariyoho, Hariyoho, Harehe, Harehe. Now this Hari Shabda. Similarly, Kavi Shabda we have to decline. Yeah, please. Who wants to decline first?
Kavihi, Kavi, Kavayaha, Kavim, Kavi, Kaveen, Kavina, Kavibhyam, Kavibhihi, कवये कविभ्यां कविभ्यः कवेः कविभ्यां कविभ्यः कवेः कवयोः कवीनां कवयो कवयोः कविषु हे कवे हे कवे हे कवि हे कवयः.
Is it kavayoho?
सेवंथ केस अम्मा सप्तमी
Kavyoho, kavyoho. Harayoho, kavyoho.
ओके
Not kavayoho, kavyoho. Kavyoho.
कवयोः कवीनां कवौ कवयोः कविषु हे कवे हे कवि हे कवयः.
Saptami ekavachanam is what?
हे कवो
Hmm?
कवो
Kavo. Is it okara?
कवयो अम्मा
Where yakara comes? Saptami ekavachanam. Harau is there.
कवो अम्मा कवो
Kavau.
कवौ.
Huh. Pronunciation should be perfect.
Okay.
Telugu people will pronounce Sanskrit perfectly. Because in all other language, letters are little bit different. So it will be difficult to pronounce the Sanskrit. But for Telugu people, all letters are same as Sanskrit letters. We should be able to pronounce perfectly. Not half of the letters. Okay, next. Kavi. Yati. Anyone?
यतिः यति यतयः यतिं यति यतीन् यतिना यतिभ्यां यतिभिः यतये यतिभ्यां यतिभिः यतिभ्यः यतेः यतिभ्यां यतिभ्यः यतेः यत्योः यतीनां यतौ यत्योः यतिषु हेयते हेयति हेयतयः.
Next, Bhupati.
भूपतिः भूपति भूपतयः भूपतिं भूपति भूपतिं भूपतिना भूपति भूपतिना और भूपतिना महोदय
Bhupatina. Ana.
भूपतिना भूपतिभ्यां
Sorry, Bhupatina. Only na. Not ana. Here Rakara is there, therefore it is ana. Bhupatina.
भूपतिना भूपतिभ्यां भूपतिभिः भूपतये भूपतिभ्यां भूपतिभ्यः भूपतेः भूपतिभ्यां भूपतिभ्यः भूपतये भूपतयोर् भूपतयोर्
Bhupatyoho.
भूपत
Bhupatyoho.
but Refa will not come.
No, here Hari, in Hari, Rakara becomes Refa there.
Okay.
Re
Bhupati.
becomes Refa. Huh. That the Bhupati is there, na? Ti becomes Takara of the.
भूपतयोः
भूपत्योः
भूपत्योः भूपतीनां भूपतौ भूपत्योः भूपतिषु हे भूपते हे भूपति हे भूपतयः
हे भूपति दीर्घ. I will show you here. Bhupati. In the ikara, in the place of ikara, yakara comes by echo energy. Bhupati plus os. These os pratyas are different. In next class, I will introduce these pratyas also. Ikara plus okara is there. In the place of ikara, yakara will come by echo energy. Now, bhupatyoho, os will add to this sasujusharuhu karvasanayor visarjaniyaha. See, for you, it is easy, bhupatihi. All sutras we know how to make it. Bhupatihi, bhupatyoho, it will be easy for all of you. Yes. Next shabda. Senapatihi.
सेनापतिः सेनापति सेनापतयः सेनापतिं सेनापति सेनापतीन् सेनापतिनां सेनापतिभ्यां सेनापतिभिः सेनापतये सेनापतिभ्यां सेनापतिभ्यः सेनापतेः सेनापतिभ्यां सेनापतिभ्यः सेनापतेः सेनापत्योः सेनापतीनां सेनापतौ सेनापत्योः सेनापतिषु हे सेनापते हे सेनापति हे सेनापतयः.
Next, Prajapatihi.
प्रजापतिः प्रजापति प्रजापतयः प्रजापतिं प्रजापति प्रजापतीन् प्रजापतिना प्रजापतिभ्यां प्रजापतिभिः प्रजापतये प्रजापतिभ्यां प्रजापतिभिः प्रजापतिभ्यः प्रजापतेः प्रजापतिभ्यां प्रजापतिभ्यः प्रजापतेः प्रजापतयोः प्रजापतीनां प्रजापत्योः प्रजापतीनां प्रजापतीनां प्रजापत्यौ प्रजापत्योः.
No. What is the saptami? Ekavachana?
प्रजापत्यौ
Prajapatau.
प्रजापतौ प्रजापत्योः प्रजापतिषु हे प्रजापतिः हे प्रजापति
हे प्रजापते
हे प्रजापते हे प्रजापति हे प्रजापतयः.
Dvivachanam and bahuvachanam of sambodhanam, always it will become same. But sometimes this ekavachanam will be changed. But dvivachanam and bahuvachanam are same. Next, Ravihi. Next, who else are there? Anusha, continue.
रविः रवि रवयः रविं रवि रवीन् रविना रविभ्यां रविभिः रवये रविभ्यां रविभ्यः रवेः रविभ्यां रविभ्यः रवेः रवयोः रवीणां रवौ रव्योः रविषु हे रवे हे रविः हे रवि हे रवयः
Shashti Dvivachanam is what?
रव्योः
Next, Kapihi.
कपिः कपी कपयः कपिं कपी कपीन् कपिन कपिभ्यां कपिभिः कपये कपिभ्यां कपिभ्यः कपेः कपिभ्यां कपिभ्यः कपेः कप्योः कपीनां कपौ कप्योः कपिषु हे कपे हे कपी हे कपयः
Next, Munihi. Next,
I think it is Shivananji. That's why I'm waiting for it.
yes. Continue. Shivananji, are you there?
Usama.
Continue.
Munihi. Muni. Muniya. Muniyaha. Munim. Muni.
Munayaha. No. Munayaha.
Munihi. Muni. Munayaha. Munim. Muni. Munin. Munina. Munibhyam. Munibihi. Munaye. Munibhyam. Munibhyaha. Munehe. Munibhyam. Munibhyaha. Munehe. Munyoho. Muninam. Munau. Munyoho. Munishu. He mune. He muni. He munayaha.
Next, Agnihi.
Agnihi, Agni, Agnayaha, Agnim, Agni, Agnin, Agnina, Agnibhyam, Agnibihi, Agnaye, Agnibhyam, Agnibhyaha, Agnehi, Agnibhyam, Agnibhyaha, Agnehe, Agnayoho, Agnyoho, Agninam, Agnau, Agnyoho, Agnishu. He Agne, He Agni, हे अग्नयः
Girihi.
गिरिः गिरि गिरयः गिरिं गिरि गिरीन् गिरिना गिरिभ्यां गिरिभिः गिरये गिरिभ्यां गिरिभ्यः गिरेः गिरिभ्यां गिरिभ्यः गिरेः गिर्योः गिरिणां गिर्यौ गिर्योः
No. Girau.
गिरौ गिरौ गिर्योः गिरिषु हे गिरे हे गिरि हे गिरयः
Marichihi. Next, Anusha.
मरीचिः मरीचि मरीचयः मरीचि मरीचि मरीचीन् मरीचिना मरीचिभ्यां मरीचिभिः मरीचे मरीचिभ्यां मरीचिभ्यः
Why that Rikara becoming Hrasva? Marichibhyam. Why Marichibhyam?
मरीचिभ्यः
Why it is Marichibhyam? What is the original Shabda?
मरीचिः
Marichi. Are we changing the previous letters or only at the end of the letter?
O-
Marichi,
Marichibhya.
Marichi, Marichayaha, Marichim. That rikara will not change. Only chakara will change. Chi or chi. That in those changes will happen only in chikara, not in rikara. Okay.
Okay.
Starting only.
Marichihi, Marichi, Marichayah. Marichim, Marichi, Marichin. Marichin. Marichina,
Marichin. What is the Dvitiya Bahuvachanam?
Marichinam.
Dirgha. Re is there, na? Marichin.
Marichin.
Hmm.
Marichina, Marichina, Marichibhyam, Marichibhi.
Hmm.
Marichiye,
Hmm.
Marichiye,
Again.
Marichiye,
Why
Mariche,
chakara is off?
Mariche,
Mariche. Marichaye.
Marichaye,
Hmm.
Marichibhyam, Marichibhyah.
Hmm.
Marichehe, Marichibhyam,
Hmm.
Marichibhyah. Marichibhyam,
Panchami Dvivachanam.
Marichibhyam,
Hmm.
Marichibhyah.
Marichibhyaha.
Marichibhyah,
Huh.
Marichehe,
Hmm.
Marichayoho,
Marichyoho.
Marichyoho,
Hmm.
Marichinam.
Chi is Raswa or Dirgha?
Haswam.
ఇక్కడ ఏముంది? హరిణాం.
Marichinam.
చి దీర్ఘ. మరీచీణాం. మరీచీనాం.
Marichinam.
మరీచీనాం.
Marichinam.
Hmm.
Marichayoho.
Hmm?
Marichavam. Marichav.
Hmm.
Marichayoho.
Hmm.
Marichyoho. Marichyoho. Marichishu.
Hmm. Hmm.
He Mariche. He Marichi. He Marichayah.
Hmm?
He Marichayah.
Hmm. హే మరీచయః. నెక్స్ట్ మేఘః.
मेघः मेघौ मेघाः मेघं मेघौ मेघान् मेघेन मेघाभ्यां मेघैः मेघाय मेघाभ्यां मेघेभ्यः मेघात् मेघाभ्यां मेघेभ्यः मेघस्य मेघयोः मेघानां मेघे मेघयोः मेघेषु हे मेघा हे मेघौ हे मेघाः.
నెక్స్ట్ దండః. Shivananji?
Hare Mama.
Then-
Like Danda, same thing, like Hari only we have to do. No, no.
You tell me how we should do that.
Dandaha, Akara Pullinga, as an Apumsakalinga,
Akaranta Pullinga. Akaranta Pullinga, how we will decline?
Rama Pullinga.
Like Ramaha. So without seeing, can you try? Or you want me to open the Rama Shabda?
Ramaha, Ramaha, Ramam, Raman.
This Danda Shabda like Rama.
Dandaha, Dandaha.
Uh,
Dandam, Dandan. Dandena, Dandapyam, Dandehi. Dandaya, Dandabhyam, Dandebhyah. Dandasya, Dandabhyam, Dandebhyah.
Panchami.
Dandat.
Tat.
Dandabhyam, Dandebhyah. Dandasya, Dandabhyam,
Dandayoho.
Dandayoho.
Dandanam.
Dandanam, Dandayoho, Dandeshu. Ye Ramaha, Ye Rama, Ye Ramaha.
Okay, Saptami Ekavachanam. Dande. Dande. Dandayoho. Dandishu. Okay. Next, Kandukaha. Okay, Sirishaji.
So Kandukam, is it Napunsakalinga, right?
No, Pullinga.
అమ్మ నపుంసకలింగ
Kandukam, is it?
Oh, here it is given Napumsakalinga. In my book, it is given as Pullinga. Kandukaha given. You can decline. Okay, Napumsakalinga you can decline.
Kandukam, I have it. I didn't memorize. Like,
Okay.
I have it open here. So
Okay.
Kandukam, Kanduke, Kandukani. Kandukam, Kanduke, Kandukani. Kandukena, Kandukabhyam, Kandukaihi. Kandukaya, Kandukabhyam, Kandukebhyah. Kandukat, Kandukabhyam, Kandukebhyah. Kandukasya, Kandukayoh, Kandukanam. Kanduke, Kandukayoh, Kandukeshu. He Kanduka, He Kanduke, He Kandukani.
See, if we memorize Rama Shabda, then this Napumsakalinga also will be clear. Prathama and Dvitiya both are equal. So even if we remember one vibhakti, like Jnanam, Jnane, Jnanani, Jnanam, Jnane, Jnanani. Rest of the things, Tritiya onwards up to Sambodhana, similar to Rama Shabda. So from there we can flip to Jnanam to Rama, we can flip. So at least when we look at in Shastra, which vibhakti is this Shabda? That way we will be able to find out. Okay. Now dhatus. Dah dhatu. Dah भस्मीकरणे. Shivananji, can you decline all 4 lakaras?
Latlakara.
It is there. Oh, lat lakara is not there. Lat lakara, okay, you know, na, like bhu dhatu only. Dahati, dahataha, dahanti, like that.
Okay. Dahati, dahatah, dahanti, dahasi, dahatah, dahatha, dahami, dahavaha, dahamaha.
Okay, what is the meaning for dah dhatu?
Bhasmikaran.
Means
Means Pudu Bhasma.
to burn.
To
Dah
burn.
means to burn.
Burn. Okay.
Okay, continue.
Now lot.
Rit.
The,
Okay, lot. Rit is first or lot? Ha, lot lakara.
okay. Dahata, dahata, dahatu, dahatam, dahantu, daha, dahata, dahatad, dahatam, dahata, dahani, dahava, dahama. Then dakshati, dakshatah, dakshanti, dakshyasi, dakshatah, dakshatha, dakshami, dakshava, dakshamaha. Now lang lakara. Adahat. Lang lakara means what?
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
I will.
Lang lakara means past tense.
Okay. Adahat, adahad, adahatam, adahan, adaha, adahatam, adahat, adaham, adavaha, adava, adahava, adahama.
मध्यमपुरुषं बहुवचनम् अदहत.
Adahata. Okay. Adahata, adaham, adaha, adahava, adahama.
Lang lakara is for past tense. It is not past means like in Puranas and all some stories happens na. That is not the past. This past is immediate past. Like we can use for last month up to yesterday or today morning. For all these things we can use lang lakara, but it is too past na, then we can't use lang lakara. For that lit lakara is there. This is adyatana bhutakala. Okay, next which dhatu is there? Jwal. Shirisha ji?
ज्वलति ज्वलतः ज्वलन्ति ज्वलसि ज्वलतः ज्वलथ ज्वलामि ज्वलावः ज्वलामः. Then lot lakara is ज्वलात् ज्वला ज्वलतात् ज्वलताद् ज्वलतु ज्वलतां ज्वलन्तु ज्वल ज्वलतात् ज्वलतात् ज्वलतं ज्वलतत् ज्वलता ज्वलानि ज्वलाव ज्वलाम. Then lut lakara
Altered lakara.
ज्वलिष्यति ज्वलिष्यतः ज्वलिष्यन्ति ज्वलिष्यसि, ज्वलिष्यतः, ज्वलिष्यथ, ज्वलिष्यामि, ज्वलिष्यावः, ज्वलिष्यामः. Then lakara, ajwalat, ajwalad, ajwalatam, ajwalan, ajwalah, ajwalatam, ajwalatah, ajwalata, ajwalam, ajwalava, ajwalama.
What is the meaning? Jwal dhatu.
Same, to burn.
To shine or to flame. Burn, dah dhatu, jwal dhatu. Difference is dah dhatu. Yeah, we can use both way. But this jwal dhatu will not use in like something is burning outside. Like that, we can't use this jwal dhatu. This is like yajna kunda, that fire flames are there. Like that we will use for that purpose. I don't know in this which chapter how they have given. When we look at the vakyas, then we will know how they have given. Deepta means to shine or to flame. Okay. Tapa. Next, Vijayaji. Aparnaji is there? Yes. Tap Aishwarye. Vijayaji, continue.
तपति तपतः तपन्ति तपसि तपतः तपथ तपामि तपावः तपामः.
1 minute. This tap dhatu is Atmanepade.
तपते
Also there. I think Atmanepade also will be there. Tapati Shabda is there. Churadigana, then Atmanepadi and Parasmaipadi both are there. If it is Divadigana, only Atmanepadi is there. If it is Vadigana, only Parasmaipadi is there. We can take this. Tap Santape. Continue.
तप्स्यति तप्स्यतः तप्स्यन्ति तप्स्यसि तप्स्यतः तप्स्यथ तप्स्यामि तप्स्यावः तप्स्यामः. लोट् लकार तपतात् तपताद् तपतु तपतां तपन्तु तप तपतात् तपताद् तपतं तपत तपानि तपाव तपाम. अतपत् अतपद् अतपताम् अतपन् अतपः अतपतम् अतपत अतपम् अतपाव अतपाम.
These kind of dhatus will give exercise to tongue. Good exercise. Tapa. Char dhatu. Next, Anusha.
అమ్మ చరతి ఏనమ్మా లట్లకారాలు.
Yes.
చర్తి చరతః చరంతి చరసి చరతః చరథ చరామి చరావః చరామః. లోట్లకార చర చరతాత్ చరతాద్ చరతు చరతాం చరంతు చర్ చరతాత్ చరతాద్
Is it char?
చర సారీ
Hmm.
చర చరతాత్ చరతాద్ చరత చరతం చరత చరాణి చరావ చరామ. లంగ్లకార అచరత్ అచరద్ అచరతాం అచరన్ అచరః అచరతం అచరత అచరం అచరావ అచరామ.
What is the meaning for char dhatu?
టు గో.
To go. Whenever this gatau and if it is there, this is gatyarthaka dhatu, they say. Gatau is there, na? Then it is gatyarthaka dhatu. Means to attain, that kind of meaning also can be there for char dhatu. So gatyarthaka means to go, to attain, all these kind of meanings will come. Like gam dhatu is also gatyarthaka dhatu. Whenever gamishyati, when it is there, it will attain. Avagatam, understand, that kind of meanings. Next, vrish.
రూట్లకార చెప్పలేదమ్మా ఇంకా. అమ్మ ఇప్పుడు తీసారమ్మా. చరిష్యతి చరిష్యతః చరిష్యంతి చరిష్యసి చరిష్యతః చరిష్యథ చరిష్యామి చరిష్యావః చరిష్యామః.
Next, vrish. Many meanings are there for vrish. Sechana means to sprinkle. Hinsa. Hinsa means to do harm. Sankleshana. Sankleshana. Sankleshana means to give pain. Or to give some work. To give some work like that. Next. Aparna ji, will you be able to say? Sirisha ji, you can continue.
वृषति वृषतः वृषन्ति वृषसि वृषतः वृषथा वृषामि वृषावः वृषामः.
1 minute. Varshati. Here latlakara is there. Varshati, varshataha, varshanti. We can remember this vrish change into varsha. We call it varshana, rain. Sprinkle means rain. That way we can remember it. Yeah. Continue.
वर्षति वर्षतः वर्षन्ति वर्षसि वर्षतः वर्षतः वर्षामि वर्षावः वर्षामः. Then lutlakara वर्षिष्यति, वर्षिष्यतः, वर्षिष्यन्ति, वर्षिष्यसि, वर्षिष्यतः, वर्षिष्यथ, वर्षिष्यामि, वर्षिष्यावः, वर्षिष्यामः. Then lot lakara is varsh, varshatat, varshatad, varshatu, varshatam, varshantu, varsha, varshatat, varshatad, varshatam, varshata, varshani, varshava, varshama. Then lang lakara avarshat, avarshad, avarshatam, avarshan, avarshah, avarshatam, avarshata, avarsham, avarshava, avarshama.
Shivananji, Gai.
Now I can do Purnaji. I was able to unmute the hand. Having
You
some
can do Gai
trouble.
Shabda.
Gai Shabda. Gayati, Gayataha, Gayanti, Gayasi, Gayathaha, Gayatha, Gayami, Gayavaha, Gayamaha. Lutlagara, Gasyati, Gasyataha, Gasyanti, Gasyasi, Gasyathaha, Gasyatha, Gasyami, Gasyavaha, Gasyamaha. Lotlagara, Gayatat, Gayatad, Gayatu, Gayatam, Gayantu, Gaya, Gayatat, Gayatad, Gayatam, Gayata, Gayani, Gayava, Gayama. Then Langlakara, Ayagat, Agayat, Agayad, Agayatam, Agayan, Agayaha, Agayatam, Agayata, Agayam, Agayava, Agayama.
Now we finished all the Shabdas and Dhatus. From tomorrow we will see the Niyamas and Abhyasa Udaharana Vakyas. Like this. This second line, what is the sandhis here? Can anyone read that second line?
Atmanam akhiladharam ashraye bhishtasithye.
Did we do that first line?
I think we did it yesterday.
No, we did the previous one, right?
I
Oh,
think
you
we
said-
did only up to Akhandam. This
you said
Satchidan-
I did it, huh?
You can read the first line and second line together.
Okay. Akhandam Satchidanandam. One second. Akhandam Satchidanandam Vangmana Gocharam Vangmanas Gocharam Atmanam Akhiladharam Ashraye Bhishtasithye.
Akhandam Satchidanandam Avang Manasa Gocharam. Okay, Akhandam we finished. Satchidanandam. In that, what are the sandhis?
Sat Chidanandam.
Which sandhi?
Stohochunastruhu.
Yes. Next,
Anandam. Anuswarasya yayi parasavarnaha.
Yes.
And Monuswara also, right?
Where? Monuswara? No, Monuswara, Anuswara will change into Anuswara will come. Anandam, after that, Akara is there. If it is Hal, then Makara will change into Anuswara, then Monuswara Sutra will apply here. Makara should follow the consonants. But there is no
What is
consonant.
that dot on the top of the, right?
Top of the
Anandam. That
oh, you are looking at the Tika?
sorry.
Here?
Yeah.
Here we are looking at.
Yeah.
So here Monuswara won't come. Yes, here Monuswara will come. Avang Manasa Gocharam.
Chit plus Anandam is Chit plus Anandam, Chidanandam. Akaha Savarne Dirgha.
Then Chid plus Ananda. No, there is no
Okay.
Akaha Savarna Dirgha.
But the Dirgham is there. Chida.
Jalam Jashwanti, right?
Anandam. Okay.
Yes, Jalam Jashwante. Chid, Dakara is adding, Dakara and Akara is mixing. Consonant plus vowel, both are mixing. There is no Akaha Savarna Dirgha. Sat plus Chid is Stohosh Chunashuhu. Chid, Chit plus Ananda, Chidananda, Jalam Jashwante.
Stohostunasti which one, Amma?
Sat plus Chid.
Chit.
Takara plus Chakara is there. Takara will be replaced by Chakara. Satchid.
Okay. That is Jalam Jashanti, no?
Which one?
Sat plus Chit. Sat.
No.
Shushti.
Takara is followed by Chakara. Stoho. Stu is there na, Sha plus Chakara. Or Sa plus Shakara or Ta plus Chakara. 2 plus Chu. 2 plus Chu if it is there, then 2 will be replaced by Chu.
Okay.
Next, Avang Manasa Gocharam.
That Vapadantasya.
Which one?
Vapadantasya.
Which one?
Vang Manasa Gocharam, right? Vang Manasa Gocharam.
Avang, not Vang, Avang.
Yeah. Vak, Avak, Manasa Gocharam. So that Avang Manasa Gocharam. So that would be Vapadantasya.
No, Anuswarasya Yai Parasavarnaha. Sorry, not Anuswarasya Yai Parasavarnaha. Vapadantasya. What is this? Vritti for Vapadantasya?
Dant Anuswarasya Yai Varne Pare. Parasavarnadeshah bhavati.
Okay, Vikalpena.
Yeah, Vikalpena.
Okay, Vapadantasya. Avang
There-
Manasa.
There Vang, that Halant is there, no?
Yes.
Manas. Vang plus Manasa. That then there should be no Sandhi, no there. Like
Huh.
Anand.
Actually, there is no Vang. Vak. Kakara will change into Ma.
Okay. Got it.
Vak. Manasa Gocharam.
Which sutra that is?
Huh? Va padantasya.
Okay.
Okay. Atmanam akiladharam ashraye abhishta siddhaye. What is the sandhi here? Abhishta siddhaye.
Parasavarna Sandhi.
Engaha padanta dati. Purva rupa sandhi, not parasavarna.
Purva. Sorry. Yes. Purva Rupa. I meant Purva.
Sutra is Engaha padanta dati. That sutra. Okay. In this, what are the vibhaktis? Akhandam is which vibhakti?
Dvitiya Ekavachanam Punaji.
Yes. Next, Satchidanandam.
द्वितीय एकवचनं
Vachanam.
Avang manasa gocharam.
द्वितीय एकवचनं
Atmanam.
द्वितीय एकवचनं
Akhiladharam.
द्वितीय एकवचनं
Ashraye.
पञ्चमी एकवचनं
Saptami
Saptami,
Ekavachanam. Saptami Ekavachanam. I think.
Anybody?
चतुर्थी एकवचनम.
Yes, Chaturthi Ekavachanam. Ashraye is Chaturthi Ekavachanam. Ashrayaha.
Why Chaturthyama that is?
1 minute. Ashraye. No, it is not Chaturthi. It's Saptami only. Ashraye Abhishta Siddhaye. But Abhishta Siddhaye is Chaturthi. Siddhi, Ikaranta, Pullinga, Haraye, like that Abhishta Siddhaye. So, Ashraye. I'll check this Ashraya Shabda belongs to which Shabda it is. I thought it is Chaturthi only. Okay, we'll look it. I will look at it. But Abhishta Siddhaye is Chaturthi. Siddhi, Abhishta Siddhi, Ikaranta Pullinga. So, what I wanted to say in this is, all Dvitiya Vibhakti will go together. Akhandam, Satchidanandam, Avang Manasa Gocharam, Atmanam, Akiladharam. All are Atma Lakshanas. Ashraye, Abhishta Siddhaye. Ishta, for Ishta Prapti, I am taking the support of this Atma, which has all these lakshanas. This way we have to do Anvaya. To do Anvaya, I was trying to get the Vibhaktis. Okay. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Harihi Om.